Good morning, dear cadets. So as you know, we are in the isomerism in coordination compound. So two isomerism I have already completed in previous video, that is ionization isomerism and hydrate or solvate isomerism. Now today third one is there, coordination isomerism. Okay, so what kind of isomerism this one? Just see. In this type of isomerism, coordination compound means in coordination compound so far what you have learned, that mononuclear type of coordination compound you have learned. Okay, in this type of isomerism, cationic and anionic both part is complex. Okay, just see, here I wrote example, here I wrote example, here I wrote example. One part is cationic part, other part is anionic. First part is cationic part, second part is anionic part. Okay, here also the first one is cationic, second one is anionic. Here also first one is cationic, second one is anionic part. So if you see clearly, both part is complex part. Okay, just see which part is cationic part, the part which contain positively charged ligand or neutral ligand. Just see here what is there, NH3 ligand is there with the silver. Okay, and NH3 is a neutral ligand. Here what is there, negatively charged ligand is there. So if positively charged or neutral ligand is there with the central metal atom, that part is cationic part. If negatively charged ligand is there, then that part is anionic part. Just see here also with the cobalt what is there, NH3 is there. Okay, that is neutral ligand. So this is cationic part, this is anionic part, because cyanide is there, cyanide is the cyano is the negatively charged ligand. Here also with the PT, NH3 is there, so that is neutral ligand, cationic part. PtCl6, chloro is anionic ligand, that is negatively charged ligand. Okay, so in such type of isomerism, both part is complex, cationic part is also complex and anionic part is also complex. Now one more thing is there, in both part central metal atom may be same, may be different, but one thing is sure, let it be different, but the coordination number of both central metal atoms should be same. If it is both central metal atom is same, then no problem at all. If they are different, like here cobalt and chromium, just see both have got same coordination number, that is 6. Here also both part is same only, PT and PT, so there is no issue. So what is there, I have written here isomerism. So far I taught you coordination isomerism. Okay, but how it arises, just see, isomerism which is arises due to migration of ligand between cationic complex and anionic complex. So what is there, there is the exchange of ligand, there is the exchange of ligand. Just see here, one example I wrote here, CuNH3 whole 4, PtCl4. Here just see, both central metal atom is different, here copper is there, here PT is there, but just see, this is cationic part because here neutral ligand is there, this is anionic part because here negatively charged ligand is there. Now shift Cl here, shift Cl here, and now NH3 here. So here what you will get, PtNH3 whole 4 and CuCl4. Always remember, in coordination isomerism, cationic part should be written first, anionic part should be written later on. Okay, so just see, just the exchange of ligand is there. Here also, actually here coordination isomerism is not visible. Why it is not visible? Because both part is containing same type of central metal atom, that is silver. Shift this one here, shift this one here. So AgNH3 whole twice, AgCN2. This is cationic part, this is anionic part. Just see here cobalt, just you shift this one here and this one here, so you will get that one. Okay, so now what is there, you should not write in the continuity, means you shifted this one here and this one here. So Cu CN6 should not be first, because now this has, earlier this was the cationic part. Once the Cn will come here, so this will be the anionic part. What is this one? Anionic part. And this is cationic part. What is this one? Cationic part. Same is the case here also. Just see. Now it doesn't mean that at a time only entire ligand should be migrated from one part to another part. Partial migration is also possible. Just see here. PT NH3 whole 4 are there. Okay. So just one Cl you shift here. One Cl you shift here. So when one Cl is shifted and one NH3 will be shifted here. So now just see PTCl NH3 whole thrice PTCl3 NH3. Okay. So it doesn't mean that entire ligand should be shifted. Partial migration is also possible. Okay. So just see, all information is written here. Isomerism which arises due to migration of ligand between cationic complex and anionic complex. Complex part which contains negatively charged ligand called anionic complex part, and the complex part which contain neutral or positively charged ligand called cationic complex part. Central metal atom or ion in both part either should be same or their coordination number should be same if they are different. Okay. So both cases are there. Central metal atom may be same, or if it is different, then coordination number of both central metal atoms should be same. Okay. So these are the examples and other related information regarding the coordination isomerism. Next one is linkage isomerism. That is the last one in structural isomerism. So fourth one is linkage isomerism. So what kind of isomerism this one? Isomerism which have different point of different point of attachment of ligand with central metal atom or ion. What is this one? Just see. Molecular formula is same, but the ligand which is present in with that coordination compound, that have got the different point of attachment. Just see, it will be clear to you. Next point is, it arises in coordination compound when ligand is ambident. When ligand is ambident. Okay. Ambident ligand, you know, either atom is donor atom. Okay. So just see, this is one compound, CONH3 whole 5 NO2Cl2. Its color is yellow. What is the name of this one? Pentaamine nitrito and cobalt third chloride. Just see. NO2, here this NO2 is ambident ligand. Okay, you know, nitrito and nitrito O. So in this compound, if you see their structure, so the point of attachment is N. Means with N atom, it is attached with the central metal atom. N is the point of attachment. Now same compound, just see, CONH3 whole 5 ONO. If you Cl2, see the structure. Here point of attachment is O. So the molecular formula is same, but the point of attachment of ligand is different. In that case, NO2 bonded with cobalt through N. Here through O it is bonded with cobalt. Through O it is bonded with cobalt. So O is the point of attachment here. So just see how you will distinguish. Color is the important thing by which we can distinguish. This compound is red. What is this one? This is red color compound. Okay. And that is yellow color compound. Okay. So just see, in linkage isomerism, what is there? Ligand point of attachment with the central metal atom is different. Okay. That is there. Now whosoever is exhibiting the ambident property, like cyanide, Cn and C, okay, that will also exhibit the linkage isomerism. This is one of the important example. Many other examples are also there. You can check from the NCERT book, cyanide, NC, SCN, thiocyanato, isothiocyanato, means whosoever is exhibiting the ambident property, those ligands only will exhibit such kind of isomerism. Always remember. In this way, structural isomerism is over. Now next one is stereoisomerism. So what is the meaning of stereo? Stereo means space. So having same molecular formula but different arrangement of ligand around the central metal atom in 3D or space. Okay. So see stereoisomerism, having same molecular formula but having different arrangement of atoms or group of atoms, ligand around the central metal atom in 3D. What is the meaning of stereo? Stereo means space, iso means same, merism means part, means whose spatial parts are similar but arrangement is different. Arrangement is stereo means space, iso means shape, merism means part. So what is their molecular formula is same but their spatial arrangement around the central metal atom is different. Okay, so arrangement is different in 3D. Okay, how many types of stereoisomerism is there? 2 types, geometrical and optical. So first one is geometrical isomerism. What is the meaning of geometrical isomerism? Same definition, having same molecular formula but different arrangement of atoms or group of atom around the central metal atom. That is known as geometrical isomerism. Geometrical isomerism is basically 2 types, cis and trans. Cis and trans. What is the meaning of cis geometrical isomerism? Cis means adjacent or together. When the similar groups are adjacent, that type of geometrical isomerism is known as cis. Don't worry, give you sufficient examples. Next one is trans. Trans geometrical isomerism means, trans means opposite. So when similar groups are opposite to each other, means when similar groups are present in opposite plane, such kind of isomerism is known as trans isomerism. Last year I taught you cis and trans, but I taught with reference to the organic compound. Here we have to discuss with reference to coordination compound. So just see, as far as example is concerned, geometrical isomerism will have 2 types of example. One category of coordination compound where coordination number is 4. So if coordination number is 4, 2 types of spatial arrangement is possible, tetrahedral and square planar. Okay, tetrahedral and square planar. Second one is the coordination compound which are having coordination number 6. So octahedral geometry is possible. If coordination number 4 is there, 2 types of geometry is possible. Means in the coordination compound which are exhibiting, which are showing the geometrical isomerism, they can be categorized into 2 category. Number 1 is the having coordination number 4. If coordination number 4 is there, then 2 arrangement is possible, tetrahedral and square planar. If coordination number is 6, then 2 types of geometry is possible. What is that one? One type of geometry is possible, that is octahedral. So just try to understand here, one note I wrote here. Cis and trans geometrical isomerism is not possible in case of tetrahedral arrangement because ligands are adjacent to each other. So just see, when coordination number is 4, 2 geometrical arrangement is possible, tetrahedral and square planar. Okay, so means coordination compound whose coordination number is 4, one arrangement is tetrahedral. So in tetrahedral arrangement, geometrical isomerism is not possible because ligands are group of atoms, they are very close, they are very adjacent in tetrahedral arrangement. Tetrahedral arrangement, you know, tetrahedral arrangement is like that. Just see, one is above the plane, other one is below the plane, one bond is projecting towards you, other one is projecting away from you. This is the tetrahedral arrangement or not? So in tetrahedral arrangement, atoms and groups of atoms are very close. Hence, what is there? Coordination means geometrical isomerism is not possible. It is possible in square planar. So we'll give you sufficient example. Just see. So in square planar geometry, geometrical isomerism is possible. Just see. This is square planar geometry. Okay, 1 2 3 4. You can start from here also, I don't have any problem. M equal to central metal atom or ion. So just see, what is the meaning of cis? Cis means together, together, adjacent. So just see, 1 2 2 3 1 4 3 4. These are the cis position. Okay, and trans means opposite, opposite plane. So 1 3 2 4. This is trans position. Okay, and now just see, suppose you have not got, just see, there is one example, PtNH3 whole twice Cl2. This is Ma2B2 type or MX2L2 type of example. What is the meaning of A or X? Neutral monodentate ligand. A means or X means neutral monodentate ligand, and what is the meaning of L? Negatively charged monodentate ligand. Negatively charged monodentate ligand. Now just see, you have to make cis and trans arrangement for this coordination compound. Okay, so just see, geometry is square planar only, but in two different ways we can arrange this one. Just see, one is this arrangement. Just see, NH3 NH3 and Cl Cl. Cl Cl is present on the same plane, NH3 NH3 is present on the same plane. So this is cis arrangement. Now same arrangement can be made like that also, Cl Cl NH3 NH3. So this is, just see here in this arrangement also, Cl Cl is present on the same plane, NH3 NH3 is present on the same plane. So what is the meaning of cis? If similar ligands are present adjacent together, they are known as cis arrangement. What is the meaning of trans? If similar ligands are present in opposite plane. Okay, opposite plane. So what kind of arrangement that one? Trans geometrical isomerism. Just see, same molecular formula, but we can arrange in this way also. Just see, 1 2 3 4. You can number it, 1 2 3 4. So here similar ligands are present between 1 4 position, 2 3 position. So just match here, 2 3 position. It doesn't mean that all conditions should be met. Here you can put R. One condition if it is meeting, then this arrangement is there. So just see, here also 1 2 3 4. Here also 1 2 3 4. Here also 1 2 3 4. Correct? So just see, here similar ligands are present in the opposite plane, 1 3 2 4. But here what is there? 1 3 2 4. Just see, both arrangement belongs to the trans, but here what is there? 1 4 2 3 or 3 4 1 2 similar ligand. So first two are cis arrangement, last two are trans. There is one more example. Just I am rubbing this side and completing here. PT glycinato. Just see, glycinato is negatively charged ligand. Its structure is this one. Example I wrote here, PTGL by whole twice. The short form of glycinato is GL by. So just write down here, PTGL by whole twice. Now just see, make their structure. PT, okay. Now just see, structure is that one. So just see here, this and this. Just see, NH2. Now here what is there? CH2. Here what is there? C double bond O and O. Okay. Now just see, same way you can make here NH2, here also what is there, CH2, here what is there, C double bond O, and here also O. Okay, so this and this, just see here, O here donor atom is NN, 1 2 3 4, so 1 4 2 3, so this is cis arrangement. What is this one? Cis. What about trans arrangement? Trans arrangement very easily you can make, just see here, just see, make here, I am rubbing this side, just see, this is cis. Now PT, here this side what is there, NH2, here what is there, CH2, here what is there, C double bond O, and here O. Okay, now just see, OCH2, here what is there, C, OCH2, O, C double bond O, CH2, and here NH2. Okay, and now just see this, just see. Now just see here similar donor atom are present in the opposite plane, 1 2 3 4. O is the donor atom, here donor atom, so 2 4 1 3, so this is trans arrangement. What kind of arrangement is this one? Trans arrangement. You can check, structure of glycinato is written there. Okay, so this is also cis and trans arrangement in square planar geometry. Just see, in case of bridging ligand also that cis and trans isomerism is found, but arrangement like, just a minute, I will note down that one. Geometrical isomerism is not found in coordination compound having Ma4 type, Ma3b type, Mab3 type. Okay, so reason is, in all cases what kind of geometry will be possible? Tetrahedral. So already I told you, in tetrahedral case cis and trans isomerism is not possible because ligands are very adjacent. Now just see, cis and trans isomerism is possible in bridging ligand if bonded ligands are different. Just see, bridging ligand may be same or different. Just see, I am not talking about bridging ligand, I am talking about this ligand. Just see, in this compound what is there? With cobalt similar ligands are there, NH3, here also NH3, so cis and trans isomerism is not possible. Similar ligands, hence no cis and trans isomerism. Now just see, replace one NH3 with Cl. Okay, here also with one Cl. Now very easily we can make cis and trans arrangement. Now just see here, in this compound, now similar, now this should be rubbed. Now just see here, will make cis and trans arrangement. Just see, cobalt, this is cobalt, here what is there, Cl, here what is there, NH3. Okay, now bracket close. Now here bridging ligand, let it be NH2, here also what is there, OH, here cobalt, here what is there, Cl, here what is there, NH3, bracket close. What kind of arrangement this one? This is, just see, Cl, they are present, similar ligands are present on the same plane, so this arrangement is cis. Now we can make the trans arrangement also. Just see, cobalt, just see, here Cl, here what is there, NH3, amine ligand, here what is there, NH2, here what is there, OH, here what is there, cobalt, here what is there, NH3, here what is there, Cl. Okay, bracket close, single positive, here also single positive. Okay, So just see here. Now similar ligands are present in opposite plane. So cis and trans isomerism is possible in bridging ligand case also. So in this way, what is there? Having coordination number 4 means geometrical isomerism is finished. Now geometrical isomerism, when coordination number is 6, what would be the geometry? Octahedral. So we'll complete in the next video. Now there little bit complex structure is there, but don't worry, that will also be completed. And afterwards, what is there? Optical isomerism is there. One by one everything will be completed. Only you have to cooperate with me. Things are not so easy, isn't it? Just keep noting down all these things. Thank you.